guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna tell that how you can do smoky eye makeup in just 3 easy steps. This video is for beginners and for all of you guys. So without wasting time, let's directly start the video. But first, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. And let's start it.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of...
So guys, I have completed one of these and I'm using this MAC gel eyeliner. So with this brush and with this brush.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run.
So guys, you can see that I have done my eyeliner process on one eye. So इसको जितना eyelash के पास हो सकता है उसको उतना पास करना है. I hope you understand. अब इसको मैं थोड़ा सा और डार्क करूँगी. eyelash लाइन के पास जो एरिया है उसको हमें ज़्यादा डार्क करना है. Moving to next time.
Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
So guys, मेरा first step complete हो चुका है. So moving forward to second step, that is I'm using this darker shade, brown dark brown. I'm using this dark brown shade, so you can see that how it is. So I need a fluffy brush like this because I have to do smudge. So
playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find someone.
So अभी मैंने dark brown shade ख़त्म किया है. So and now I'm using light orange shade. this one with this brush only. मुझे एक लेयर बनाते जाना है ऊपर ना, उसको स्मज करते हैं. अपना प्रोसेस ख़त्म हो गया अपर एरिया का. अब मुझे लोअर लैश लाइन पे भी ये स्टेप्स फॉलो करने हैं. फिर से जेल आईलाइनर, दिस इज माय काजल ब्रश. मेरी आईज बहुत सेंसिटिव होती जा रही है. इसको बहुत हल्का हल्का सा स्प्रेड करना, भूत नहीं बनना. Light orange shade. Guys, इतना पार्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. बस लास्ट स्टेप जो कि थर्ड स्टेप है वो होगा. मुझे आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्लैक शेड, मैट ब्लैक शेड. This size completed. बस मैं ये वाली आई कंप्लीट करके भी आपको फाइनल स्टेप. Alexa, Alexa go. चलो, गुड गर्ल. क्या हो गया बच्चे? अब जाओ यहाँ से. She is very very nice. No! गंदे बच्चे, गंदे बच्चे. चलो say hi. Say hi. क्या सब्सक्राइब कर दो. Like sure? So subscribe it. Hello guys. No! Alexa. चलो जाओ. Oh. नहीं जाना, फिर से चुपचाप बैठ जाओ. So yeah guys, now I am done with my Smokey eye makeup tutorial. So I hope you understand that how I made my this look in just three steps. And please make sure you have subscribed my channel and like, share and comment. So meet you in next video. Stay connected. Bye.